All right, so let's go back to this story. President Donald Trump's push for his immigration policy as he promised on the campaign trail. Here is a change. Immigration and Customs Enforcement can now tap into Medicaid participant information to help try to track down undocumented immigrants. A federal judge in California handed that ruling down. How does it work? Well, it allows that basic biographical location and contact information can be obtained under the law. So let's talk about this. CBS News immigration reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez watching this one close. So are there any limits to this ruling and how it can be applied?
Yes, there are, Reed. This is a partial victory for the Trump administration and the president's mass deportation agenda. A federal judge, as you underscored, has allowed officials to share some Medicaid data with ICE for immigration enforcement purposes, meaning efforts to identify, arrest, and ultimately deport people suspected of living in the U.S. illegally. ICE can now receive biographical, contact, and location information from the Medicaid program. That can include the immigration status of individuals, their nationality, their address, phone numbers, and date of birth. The judge, importantly, however, Reed, blocked ICE from having access to a broader set of Medicaid information, including sensitive medical records and data on American citizens and lawful permanent residents. That information sharing, Reed, is still prohibited under that court ruling. It's important to note that, generally speaking, immigrants in the U.S. illegally are not eligible for Medicaid, but states are required to provide emergency care to anyone irrespective of their immigration status, and some states, led by Democrats, also offer certain health benefits to immigrants who lack immigration status. Democratic-led states had challenged the Trump administration's immigration information sharing effort, saying it will deter immigrants, Reed, from seeking medical care. The administration, on the other hand, has said that the policy will allow officials to better enforce federal immigration law, Reed.
Camilo, thank you so much for that.